To make PDF in Canva using phone, you want to come down here where it says custom size. I'm going to click on custom size here. Now let's change the unit of our design to get an A4 paper. I want it to be in millimeters. I'm going to make the width 210 and the height 297. And we're going to click on create new design. Once the A4 size paper opens, it will naturally select a design. So we're going to search this template to find a template we want to work with. And I'm just going to click on invitation templates. And let's select this one. We're just using this as a placeholder. To make this as a PDF, I'm going to click on this arrow here that says share. And I'll click on download here. And you'll see that it's naturally on PNG, the file type. I'm going to come to this drop down and select PDF print. And if I'm using it for digital use, I can leave it as RGB best for digital use. But if I'm going to be printing this in professional printing, I might want to change it to CMYK best for professional printing. But please note that this is a pro feature. You can see the crown here. And once you're happy with that, you want to click on download. That way you've made a PDF with your phone.